And around the lunchtime hour today, we got some reports of funnel clouds, and we're going to walk you through some viewer photos we got. Thanks to everybody who uploaded some, but we'll walk you through just a couple. This one from the Carrington Airport of that funnel cloud, long and skinny, just over that crop duster there. This one did not reach the ground. None of the funnel clouds in our area reached the ground. Of course, when a funnel cloud does reach the ground, that's when it is officially declared a tornado. And we didn't get any of those tornadoes at this point across the area around the lunchtime hour. So another one from Carrington area. Nikki uploaded this one of that long and skinny funnel cloud as well. And that kind of keeping with the plane theme, you could say, these are taken from an airplane at altitude. This is from Andy in the Devil's Lake area, showing that kind of shorter funnel cloud. So notice that's not reaching its way all the way to the ground. So again, just a funnel cloud. The atmospheric conditions today in this part of the atmosphere, from the bottom of that funnel cloud to the ground, were not conducive to get that circulation all the way down to the ground. So that's why we only had those funnel clouds reported across the area for our Monday. Another one from the Devil's Lake area. Karen uploaded this one to valleynewslive.com. Again, you can see about halfway down before it just kind of fizzles out. And then another one from the Devil's Lake area. I like the lake in this one, the water there at the bottom of your screen, and the kind of contrast between that darker cloud and the lighter clouds in the back. This is from Michael. Also upload this one to valleynewslive.com. So again, thanks to everyone. We love seeing your weather photos, and keep them coming as we, of course, go through the rest of the summer. So here's that line of rainfall we're seeing. A very slow-moving line of rainfall, to say the least, and now seeing some thunder showers also making their way into northern Towner County at this hour. But we'll take a look at where some of the more organized rain is at this point. One just north of Tower City, seeing a slow-moving pocket of heavy rainfall. So may see some localized flooding in these areas north of Tower City, just along I-94. Just east of Valley City, also seeing some light to moderate rainfall at this time. Notice not a lot of lightning with this. It's just that rain and some wind in those particular cells. And then right along the South Dakota state line, seeing a strong storm heading toward the Veblen area in South Dakota. Seeing that pocket of red there, which again indicates that heavier rain. And just north of Britain, also seeing some moderate rainfall at this time. Also a very slow-moving couple of cells there along the South Dakota state line. And then just south of Devil's Lake, seeing some more of that light to moderate rainfall. That is also a slow mover. And then from, say, Mayville up to the Canadian border, seeing just some light to moderate rainfall at this time, with just south of Langdon seeing that heavier rain, and heading toward the city of Mayville itself, seeing some heavier rainfall making its way in there. So localized flooding still a possibility, and some of these storms also tonight still could become strong to severe. Temperatures in that rain-cooled area in North Dakota, seeing those middle to upper 60s, but where it hasn't started raining yet, still seeing low to mid 70s out the door this evening. Current conditions at this time, we're seeing 75 degrees there in Fargo, seeing some clear sky at this point, but it is a bit on the humid side out there. 79 degrees for our friends across the Red River in Moorhead. Here's the hour by hour for the rest of the night. We're seeing this line of rainfall making its way slowly into Minnesota and continuing about the 9 o'clock hour. And you can see that the development in our extreme western neighborhoods as well. So keeping that chance of strong to severe storms in our western neighborhoods even by 9 o'clock. But I do expect after sunset we lose that potential of that severe weather, but we still could see some isolated strong to severe storms even later on tonight. By midnight or so, still seeing some pockets of heavier rainfall scattered at this point. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s. And again, these are slow-moving heavy rainfall or heavy rain storms. So again, still could see that localized flooding here or there. Now, as we go toward the morning hours, look at this. Temperature is 60s for pretty much everybody. 50s up north. Still some lingering rainfall in Minnesota. As we go toward lunchtime, we will start to see some clearing. But again, as we get the clearing in the afternoon with some humidity, a pop-up shower or storm is not out of the question for us as we go through the afternoon and evening for us on Tuesday. Things then dry out Tuesday night into Wednesday. We have temperatures a bit warmer, up near 80 for Tuesday, and humidity picks up as we go into the weekend, and the heat picks up also, Andrea. So maybe at the lake, Andrea, seeing those 90s, maybe not too bad at the lake, but still could be a shower or storm here or there with that humidity.
Some people really miss the 90s.
Some people do.
They do. Thank you.